RC helicopters in 2026 are more impressive than ever, blending cutting-edge technology with incredible realism and performance. From highly detailed scale military helicopters to smooth flying beginners and powerful collective pitch machines, today's RC helis offer something for every kind of pilot. In this video, we're counting down the top 15 best RC helicopters of 2026 you need to see, highlighting models that stand out for their design, stability, and pure flying excitement. Whether you fly for fun, realism, or adrenaline, these helicopters show just how far RC aviation has come. Blade Eclipse 360 Coast Guard Edition. The Blade Eclipse 360 Coast Guard Edition is an eye-catching collective pitch RC helicopter that blends scale-like Coast Guard styling with serious flying performance. It features a lightweight, fully molded EPO body with LED navigation and landing lights, carbon fiber main blades, and a powerful brushless motor system paired with Spectrum AS3X and optional SAFE technology for stability and crash prevention assistance. Designed for intermediate pilots, it delivers smooth hover, sport maneuvers, and mild aerobatics while providing real-time telemetry with compatible Spectrum transmitters. With a length of about 30.8 inches, 33-ounce flying weight, and a BNF price around $499 to $500, it's a premium choice for hobbyists looking for scale realism and capable performance. Flywing MH-60. The Flywing MH-60 is a standout 470 class RC helicopter that brings real-scale realism and advanced flight tech to hobby pilots. Modeled after the iconic MH-60 military aircraft with detailed fuselage and authentic four-blade rotor design, it offers GPS stabilization, auto-hover, and one-key return-to-home features via the AC flight controller for confident outdoor flying. Powered by efficient brushless motors and a 4S 5000 mAh battery, it can hover for around 20 to 25 minutes with up to approximately 1 kilometer range. Ready-to-fly packages start around $899 to $1,100 plus depending on battery options, making it an impressive choice for intermediate to advanced RC enthusiasts who want both scale looks and smart flight performance. RotorScale UH-1Y Venom 220. The RotorScale UH-1Y Venom 220 is a compact, ready-to-fly scale RC helicopter that captures the spirit of the Marine Corps' modern utility aircraft with an authentic four-blade rotor and detailed fuselage. It stands out with GPS stabilization, optical flow positioning, and LiDAR altitude hold for remarkably steady flight, making it easier for pilots to hover and cruise smoothly. Powered by a direct-drive brushless system and delivered as a complete RTF package, it offers about 8 to 10 minutes of flight with a 3S LiPo and costs around €510. This blend of performance and scale realism makes the Venom 220 a compelling choice for intermediate RC pilots wanting a realistic yet easy-to-fly helicopter. SYMA S107H-E RC helicopter. The SYMA S107H-E RC helicopter is a compact, beginner-friendly indoor helicopter that's ideal for kids and first-time pilots looking for simple flying fun. It features a built-in gyro and altitude hold mode that helps keep it stable in the air, along with one-key takeoff and landing for easy control. Operating on 2.4 GHz with 3.5 channel control, it's easy to fly straight out of the box and comes with LED lights for added visibility. While flight time is short, around 5 to 8 minutes per charge, the included dual batteries help extend play sessions. At around $40 to $60 retail, it's an affordable and enjoyable entry-level RC helicopter that delivers value for the price. RCERAC032 HUEY. The RCERAC032 HUEY is a compact 1/48 scale RC helicopter that brings the classic UH-1 HUEY look into a fun, flyable package with modern stabilization tech. It features a flybarless design with 6-axis gyro, barometric altitude hold, optical flow positioning, and TOF sensors for smooth and stable flight, even for less experienced pilots. With a brushless motor and approximately 13-minute flight time on a 7.4-volt Li-ion battery, it offers solid performance and multi-directional control, including one-key inverted flight. The included 2.4 GHz transmitter and lightweight 115 grams build make it easy to take outdoors or indoors. Prices typically range around $110 to $150, depending on battery count and retailer, making it a compelling mid-range choice for hobbyists wanting a scale-style helicopter with smart flight features. Blade MCX Anniversary Special Edition. The Blade MCX Anniversary Special Edition is a timeless, ultra-micro RC helicopter designed for beginner pilots and indoor fun. Celebrating 20 years of the iconic MCX series, it comes fully assembled with a coaxial rotor head that delivers excellent stability and ease of control, perfect for flying in small spaces like living rooms or offices. Weighing just over an ounce with the included 1 150 mAh LiPo battery, it's light and forgiving for new flyers. The ready-to-fly version comes with a Spectrum 4-channel transmitter, battery, and USB charger all in the box, typically priced around $100, making it an affordable, fun choice for RC enthusiasts of all ages. RotorScale AH-64 Apache Desert Tan 250. The RotorScale AH-64 Apache Desert Tan 250 is an impressive 250-size GPS stabilized RC helicopter that brings the legendary attack chopper to life with authentic military styling and modern flight tech. Ready to fly right out of the box, it features integrated GPS, optical flow, and LiDAR altitude sensing for rock-steady hovering and precise control that's helpful for beginners and experienced pilots alike. With automatic flight modes, return-to-home safety features, and dual brushless motors, it delivers confidence-inspiring performance. Finished in desert tan and complete with a sturdy aluminum carry case, this helicopter typically retails around $569 to €579, offering strong value for a highly capable scale model. Flywing Bell 412. The Flywing Bell 412 is a full-scale 470 class RC helicopter that offers an impressive combination of authentic scale looks and smart flight technology. It comes ready to fly with a GPS-assisted ACE flight controller, 6-channel control, and a 4-blade rotor system that gives stable, realistic handling in outdoor conditions. Typical flight modes include GPS hover, manual 3D, and automatic route planning, and you can expect around 20+ minutes of flight time on a 4S 3000 mAh setup. Prices for the RDF package generally start around $899 and up, depending on battery options, making it a premium but rewarding choice for scale RC pilots who want a versatile, capable machine that looks as good as it flies. RCERA-C123EC135. The RCERA-C123EC135 is a sleek 136-scale gyro-stabilized RC helicopter that delivers an engaging blend of scale realism and fun flight capability. Ready to fly out of the box, it uses dual brushless direct drive motors, a 6-axis gyro, optical flow positioning, and barometric altitude hold for stable hovering and responsive control in outdoor conditions. You'll find features like 3D flips, 1-key inverted flight, and 1-key takeoff landing, making it accessible to both beginners and hobbyists. Typical flight time is 8 to 10 minutes per charge on its 11.1 volt LiPo, with a control range around 120 to 150 meters. Prices usually fall between $160 to $220, depending on battery count and seller, offering good value for a capable, fun-to-fly scale model. Blade Revolution 235CP. The Blade Revolution 235CP is a mid-size collective pitch RC helicopter that bridges the gap between beginner ease and true aerobatic capability, perfect for pilots stepping up from fixed pitch flyers. It arrives fully assembled with brushless main and tail motors, a Spectrum flybarless controller with AS3X and SAFE stability tech, and multiple flight modes that help you learn to hover, recover from mistakes, and progress towards sport and 3D flying. Ready-to-fly versions typically sell around $299 to $320, with bind and fly options near $269 plus without transmitter. The Revolution 235 CP offers a forgiving learning curve along with solid performance and upgrade potential, making it a strong choice for pilots aiming to master collective pitch helicopters. Flywing Bell 206. The Flywing Bell 206 is a scale-styled 470 class RC helicopter that delivers both impressive aesthetics and advanced flight technology for outdoor flying enthusiasts. Built around a sturdy brushless motor system and an ACE/H-1 flight controller with GPS positioning, altitude hold, and assisted modes, it offers stable hovering, smooth GPS hover, and smart features like auto return and semi-automatic flight modes. Typical ready-to-fly packages range from about $799 to $899, plus depending on battery count and version, with higher-end variants reaching over $1,000 for the latest V4 GPS-enhanced model. The heli's detailed Bell 206 scale fuselage, long flight time, up to approximately 18 to 20 minutes, and intuitive controls make it a satisfying choice for intermediate pilots and RC scale enthusiasts alike. RCERA C184 Mini MD500. The RCERA C184 Mini MD500 is a lightweight 100 size RC helicopter that delivers surprisingly stable flight and fun for pilots of many skill levels thanks to its optical flow positioning, 6-axis gyro stabilization, and barometric altitude hold, which help it hover with confidence both indoors and outdoors. It measures about a 256mm rotor diameter and weighs around 99 grams, with typical flight times near 12 minutes on the included 7.4 volt LiPo battery. You'll find versions with or without a transmitter, with prices often around $70 to $250 plus, depending on configuration and where you buy. With easy one-key takeoff, landing, and stable controls, it's a great choice for beginners and hobbyists seeking a fun, detailed scale flyer without breaking the bank. Flywing UH-1. The Flywing UH-1 RC helicopter is a full-size, scale-styled RC HUEY that combines authentic military looks with modern GPS-assisted flight technology for a smooth and confident flying experience. It features a brushless power system, GPS/GLONASS positioning, one-key return to home, and assisted flight modes that help stabilize hover and simplify outdoor flying. The rotor span is roughly 810 millimeters with a 6-axis controller and optional guided flight patterns, plus flight times around 20 to 28 minutes depending on battery size. Prices typically start around $799 to $849, plus for ready-to-fly packages, with higher tiers for extra batteries or advanced versions. Blade Fusion 700. The Blade Fusion 700 is a high-end 700 class collective pitch RC helicopter kit that blends a durable carbon fiber and aluminum airframe with powerful brushless performance and precision engineering, making it a thrilling project for seasoned RC pilots. It includes a 4,735 to 540 kilovolt brushless outrunner motor and 700mm carbon fiber main blades, but requires additional components like a flybarless controller, servos, ESC, transmitter, and batteries to complete. Typically priced around $850 for the basic kit and up to $1,800 plus for a super combo with Spectrum electronics, it's aimed at experienced flyers seeking customizable, high-performance flight potential and build satisfaction. BUSSGO X13. The BUSSGO X13 is a fun, beginner-oriented RC helicopter that's ideal for casual flyers and family entertainment with its bright 7+1 LED light modes and easy controls. It features a 3.5 channel system with gyro stabilization and altitude hold to help steady the helicopter in the air, along with one-key takeoff landing and adjustable speed settings that make flying intuitive even for kids and newcomers. With 2 modular LiPo batteries, you can enjoy roughly 30 to 34 minutes of combined flight time, and the 2.4 GHz remote provides a stable signal up to about 50 meters. Prices for this model are typically in the budget-friendly range, often around $55 to $90 depending on retailer and region, offering accessible RC flight with visual flair and forgiving handling for indoor or light outdoor use.